Hey guys, today we are back for another. Okay, so today, hey guys, today we are in the champ. This is the Yorvik Stables Championship. Oh, and I did ask Solveig, this is Solveig Shadowwave, my friend, I did ask her to come. So this is Solveig, she is one of my friends, she is one of my very close friends. So tell her to say hi, cause yes, she is on. She is being recorded. By the way, I said it in an already. Well, wasn't it sad for Elizabeth? I cried in bed that night. So guys, if you actually didn't know, when you save Anne, she's trapped in Pandoria. Didn't know if you haven't saved Anne yet. Oh, sorry, Alexa, off. Yeah, my Alexa was going off. Okay. So, if you guys didn't know, for saving Anne, Elizabeth actually does get blown up. Blown up. So, it was so sad. That's why we're talking about this. Yes! Yes, like Rube! Yes! Good luck, CCN. So, good luck closing chat now. Good luck, everyone. Close chat. Okay, 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 okay. Spam, spam. Get down! Run, 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 run! Whew! Because again, these champs can be very, what's the word? And in their no, that's the wrong word. Oh my god, what? Ow! No, I have to go this way. Oh my god. What? Mm. I'm gonna equip this pet, have him run out with me. Guardian warriors, or paddock warriors is what they call them. Paddock warriors. Bye bye, you paddock warriors with swords. No, you don't actually have swords, but you're trying to kill us. Oh, did you see that? I almost fell off the bridge. Oh, Victoria got stuck in the car. Wait, how is Solveig in front of me? Wait, how is Solveig? Wait, I must be hallucinating. There's no. What? They're like all the way back there. Okay, I must be having a glitch because Victoria is no like. Solveig must be way behind. Oh no! Why no? What the heck? No! I was in the middle of a champ. Wait. No! I had missed a checkpoint all the way back there. No! I guess I'll still just move them. I lost. I lost. And I deserve to lose. To the cave of wonders we go. To the cave of wonders. I lost. We're gonna make these horses happy. Happy horses. Happy horses. Wait, why is only one of them rearing? That's not right. Why is only one of them rearing? Look at that. Bye guys. Say bye. Bye 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 bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye bye bye. The vid.